Welcome, welcome, welcome to hashtag Divine Wisdom. Today we are unboxing. What do we have? What do we have? What do we have? Let's open this box and see, baby. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Like, share, and subscribe. Be sure while unboxing that you get your nice plastic gloves in there. Gotta keep it clean, baby. Keeping it clean and safe. All right. I am going to take my scissors and cut down the middle. Then I'm going to go on the side. And while doing this, remember to take the scissors and to make sure it is not going in the direction of your body. All right. Let's go, let's flow. Share this unboxing out to somebody you know. All right. We have our energy efficient light bulbs. Baby. These are energy efficient smart lights and they are 60 watts and they only use 13. These are good for your lighting and you will save at least $51 in a month. That's your total savings. So, I thank you for joining me in this unboxing of smart lights. These are your energy smart lights. You can get them anywhere. I ordered me a box offline so that we can be prepared. You can order them by boxes of 10. This is a 10-pack box. And just store your light bulbs up as well as all of your energy efficient supplies. I thank you for joining me at hashtag Divine Wisdom, where you can get an exclusive unboxing. It's always a pleasure. Thank you for joining us Mondays, Thursdays, and Sundays. That is Monday, Thursday, and Sunday at 11:45 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Be sure to turn on your bell notifications. It's always a pleasure to bring you an exclusive banger. Peace and blessings. Thank you for joining me in this unboxing. Peace and blessings. Have an incredible day full with joy, peace, and abundance upon you and your family. It's a pleasure. Thanks for choosing hashtag Divine Wisdom. Ciao, baby.